Hi everyone, Leo Alvarenga here with Goodstory. We are at 2 Prudhomme. I hope you don't mind my French accent. This lovely townhouse here is fully loaded. It has been renovated from top to bottom. You have 2 full bathrooms. You have a lovely backyard. You have a balcony off to 2nd floor, fully renovated kitchen, upstairs bathroom with a double vanity. It has it all. 3 bedrooms on the same floor. You have a garage. You're steps away from Rideau Street. This is absolutely fantastic. A very nice, quiet area here. All right, guys, so we are sitting in this lovely backyard. Like I mentioned, you have more spaces for entertaining upstairs, outdoor, indoor. This is exactly the lifestyle that this place offers. If you want to reach out, if you want a viewing, don't hesitate in sending us a message or call us 613-262-8988. Talk to you soon.